The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Cook County in northeast Illinois, east central Will County in northeast Illinois, northern Lake County in northwest Indiana at 1:30 p.m. At 12:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Manhattan and moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Frankfurt and Moni around 12:50 p.m. Olympia Fields and Richton Park around 12:55 p.m. Glenwood and Flossmoor around 1 o'clock p.m. Calumet City and Lansing around 1:05 p.m. Hammond and East Chicago around 1:10 p.m. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.